morning. Class 7th, subject English, topic Adverbs, PC-REN Grammar, Chapter 12, Lecture 1. The contents which will be covered in this video will be the meaning of the adverb, types of adverb, adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of degree, practice exercise, and of course homework that everybody has to do and submit on my Gmail account, on my Google ID. Is that clear to everyone? No WhatsApp homework will be entertained. So, moving ahead, I would like to tell you all what do we actually mean by adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies. The word modify means describes a verb. For example, he sings loudly. So how is he singing? He's singing loudly. So I have described a verb. An adjective, that's very tall. Another adverb, ended too quickly, or even a whole sentence. Fortunately, I had brought an umbrella. Adverb often end in ly, but some, such as fast, look exactly the same as their adjective counterparts. So basically, it's a long definition of adverb. What you people need to understand is simple, that an adverb is a word that modifies the meaning of a verb. What is verb? Verb is a doing word. Okay, she is doing the work. She is doing the work fast. So I have modified the verb, right? Because she is doing the work fast. Doing work fast is also a verb, but doing work fast is an adverb. I'll give you some examples here. Tom Longboat did not run badly. Okay, then Tom is very tall. We could have written Tom is tall, but we are adding an adverb, that is very tall. Then the next one, the race finished too quickly. Fourth one, fortunately Lucy recorded Tom's win. Then the last example, it's easy to identify adverbs in these sentences. Okay, so it was quite easy to identify adverbs in these sentences. Moving ahead, I will be explaining you every type individually so that adverb is very clear to every one of you. Types of adverb. There are 5 types of adverb. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of degree, adverb of time, and adverb of frequency. Clear? So there are how many types of adverb are there? 5 types of adverb are there. Manner, place, degree, time, frequency. Clear? Yes. So we are going to start with the very first one, adverb of time. Usage describes when or for how long a certain action happened. You understand time? Okay, before, since, yet, soon, yesterday. They all tell the time when the verb was done. So in the definition also, we are saying exactly the same. Describes when or for how long a certain action happened. Clear? Example words, already, ago, before, yet, never, soon, yesterday, lately. Clear to everyone? There's some example sentences for you all. I have heard this before. I have not seen him since. I haven't spoken to her yet. She'll be here soon. I haven't been feeling so well lately. We have never been to New York. He left the house over an hour ago. So this all is adverb of time. Clear? Moving ahead. Okay. So we would start adverb of frequency. Basically, what do you understand by the word frequency? Frequency means always, often, usually, normally, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, hardly ever, never, twice. So these are all adverb of frequency. Let's quickly start with the definition. Describes how often something occurs. How often means how random something occurs either indefinite or indefinite terms. Example words, list of adverbs of frequency: always, usually, normally, often, sometimes, occasionally, once, seldom, rarely, never. So these are all adverbs of frequency. So wherever you are going to find always, usually, normally, you just write their adverb of frequency. I'm going to read some example sentences for you all. It's always cold in this room. I usually just have a sandwich for lunch. I normally go to the gym. They often go out for dinner. Sometimes it's best not to say anything. I occasionally eat junk food. I seldom read the newspaper. I hardly ever drink alcohol. I never go to the cinema. I don't like it. I have told you twice. Clear? So this is all about adverb of frequency. So yes, next is adverb of place. I think by reading this only, this is very clear. Place. Place means somewhere, backwards, nearby, isn't it? We keep on telling or asking our parents where our things are kept. So they said it is kept there, here, idhar rakha hai, udhar rakha hai. So this idhar rakha hai, udhar rakha hai means here, there. Okay. Coming to the definition of adverbs of place, tells about where something happens or where something is. Example words, here, everywhere, near, nearby, down, away, backwards, upwards. Clear? Example sentences, there was somebody standing nearby. Is that scarf there? I have lived here for about 2 years. The sun's going down and it will be dark soon. Miss Watson is away on holiday until the end of the week. I walked backwards towards the door. Next one, she turned her face upwards to the sun. So this is all about adverb of place. Basically, adverbs of place tell what is the place of the verb. Clear? Moving next. Adverb of manner. Okay, in what manner has the verb done its task? Moving to the definition, shows how or what way something happens or is done. Example words, so, slowly, badly, beautifully, delightfully, loudly, anxiously. Example sentences, the soldiers fought bravely. Is that so? Could you please speak more slowly? She dresses beautifully. He had a delightfully dry sense of humor. We waited anxiously by the phone. I thought he was treated very badly. So these all are adverb of manner. Clearly in the definition they are saying way something happens or is done. Okay, so adverb of manner is how the verb happens or how it is done. We have to write that. Once we identify that, that is adverb of manner. Moving next. Adverb of degree. So this is the last one. Shows how much or in what degree or to what extent of qualities, properties, states, conditions and relations. Clear? Example words, almost, fully, rather, quite, to, enough, perfectly. So it tells what extent of qualities, properties, states. Clear? Example words, I am fully prepared. Okay, I am half prepared, I am fully prepared. So this is adverb of degree. I am rather busy. She's almost 30. The two situations are quite different. It's too hard for me to explain. Have you had enough to eat? They are perfectly suited. So adverb of degree tells the qualities, properties, states, conditions and relations of verb. Don't think the property, the buying of the house, that property we are talking about. Here the property of the sentences, the words. Okay. The states means the sense, conditions and relation of the adverb. So So here we are talking about English, not about properties or states. Okay, the 28 states and 7 union territory. No, we are not talking about them. Clear to everyone? Moving next. This is one practice exercise that I've given for you all. Okay, I have done this for you all so that you people get an idea how to do the exercise which I'm going to give for homework. So let's do this together. Underline the adverbs in the following sentences and state their kind. You have to tell their kind. I went to the market in the morning. So when did I go to the market? I went to the market in the morning. So this is adverb of time. Clear? Next. The dog sat lazily in the shade of the tree. How did the dog sat? He sat lazily. It's adverb of manner. Next one, third one. The man grumbled loudly while cleaning the table. Okay. Grumbled loudly. So that's loudly is an adverb of manner. Fourth one. I often visit my grandparents. Often, that's frequency. Adverb of frequency. Fifth one. It is extremely hot today. Extremely. Adverb of degree. Clear to everyone? Sixth one. Please wait patiently. Okay. Adverb of manner. Next one. The technician fixed the problem easily. How did the technician fix the problem? He fixed the problem easily. Next one. They serve hot pancakes there. So where do they serve the hot pancakes? There. That's adverb of place. Next one. I'm waiting here for my daughter. Here. Adverb of place. 10th one. He laughed merrily. Adverb of manner. Next. We will leave today. Adverb of time. Next one. She's standing outside. Adverb of place. So this is one practice exercise. I have written 12 sentences and even the answers for you all for better understanding of the text and how you're going to write their kind. Moving next to the homework exercise that you have to do on your own and we'll be discussing in the online class. So kindly do your work and be ready with the answers. Homework exercise. Underline the adverbs in the following sentences and name the verb with which each is used. So you have to name the verb. First one. He crept quietly from the room and closed the door noiselessly. Second, he went late and came back early. Third one, in life, one goes up or else one goes down, for there is no standing still. Fourth one, we are here today and will leave tomorrow. Fifth one, on in the snow, sadly and wearily the soldiers go. Sixth one, formerly I liked him well, but now I cordially detest him. Seventh one, do come and see us soon. You so seldom visit us nowadays. Okay, seldom means very less. Eighth, slowly and sadly we laid him down. Ninth one, I knew him well and every torrent knew. 10th, I wandered lonely as a cloud. 11th one, Suresh does his work regularly. 12th, there lies the port. So these are a set of 12 sentences. You have to underline and name the verb which is used. And we'll be discussing in the class. I want everyone to do the homework so that you can take your doubts. Clear? Moving next. Thank you. Have a nice day. I hope the topic of adverb is clear to you all. This is part 1 of the video lecture. Part 2 we'll be doing in the next class. Thank you.